Hello. Very good morning to all my kids of class 1. Hello, my dear little ones. Are you ready for today's class? Yes. All of you say it together? Yes. So, dear children, today we are going to revise the concept of big and small. Do you remember how to show a big thing and a small thing? Yes, you are correct. A very big thing, a very small. Isn't it? Big, small. Yes, my dear ones, you are very correct. And now we are going to revise big and small. First, I will show one picture. You just say which is big, which is small. Dear children, just see the pictures. Here there are two pictures. One is an elephant and another one is a cat, isn't it? Which is big, which is small? Can you say, children, which is big, which is small? Yes, an elephant is big, a cat is small, isn't it? So you know what is a big, what is a small. An elephant is big, a cat is small. Now I am going to show another picture. See, this is a picture of a tree and a flower. When you compare these two, you can say which is big and which is small, isn't it? A tree is very big and a flower is very small. Isn't it, children? Yes. Like this, in maths also, there is a concept of big and small. That is, we call more and less. Have you heard of more? More means many. That means a big. More means many. And less means few, very less, small. So did you get, children? More means big and less means small. So I am going to show one picture. You can say which is more and which is less. See, here there are two set of triangles, isn't it? Can you say which is big and which is small? Let us count and see. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here there are 11 triangles and here there are 6 triangles, isn't it? Which is more and which is less? Can you say which is big or which is small? Which set has more number of triangles? Yes, the first one. The first set has more number of triangles and the second one has less number of triangles. Did you get, children? Yes. Now I will show another picture. Yes, that's a picture of ice creams. See, there are two set of ice creams. Which is more, which is less? Let us count and see. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? And here 1, 2, 3. So in the first set there is 5 and in the second set there is 3. Which is more? Which is less? Can you say, children? Yes, the first set is more and the second one is less. Very small in number. More means number of items will be many. There will be more number of items. So the first set has more ice creams and the second set has less number of ice creams. So did you get, children? What is big, what is small? And what is more, what is less? Now, using these concepts, we are going to find which is a big number and which is a small number? Let us see. Now listen carefully. There are two children. I have drawn two smiley for showing them. Okay. So there are two children. And I gave 7 ice creams to first one. To the first child I gave 7 ice cream. And to the second child I gave 4 ice cream. Who got more number of ice cream? Who got? Is the first child got the more number or the second one? Which child got more number of ice creams? Yes, you are correct. First child got more number of ice creams. Yes, so we can say 7 is a big number. Once more you say, children, we can say 7 is a big number. When we compare 7 and 4, we can say 7 is a big number. Did you get, children? Yes, one more. Example is here. See, the number shown is 3 and 2. Then, can you say which is a big number? Which is a small number? Can you say, children? Just try. Which is big, which is small? Yes, my dear little ones, you are correct. 3 is a big number and 2 is a small number. So, what all things we have studied today? Big, small, more, less. More means many and less means very few, less, small, isn't it? Now, before we stop, let me ask you one question. Have you heard of coronavirus? Is it big or small? Yes, you are correct. It's a very small organism, isn't it? It's a very, very small. Can you see with your eyes? Can you see? No, we cannot see coronavirus with our naked eyes, isn't it? That means it is a very, very, very small living thing, isn't it? So dear children, so you learned the concept of big and small today. So after the class, what to do? You must wash your hands with soap and water, isn't it? You must wash your hands neatly, have healthy food, you must drink lot of water and you must have a good sleep. Okay children, bye. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you my little children.